we are going to learn how to format your page numbers. The first thing you are going to do now is you go to this view. Then once you click this view, you go to multiple pages. Then you go to layout. Then you click on these breaks. You click on, then you make sure that the cursor is at maybe the place that you want to divide, like the page you want to page break. Then you go to this breaks, then you hit on next page. Then the next thing you're going to do is you go to insert. To insert your page number, you go to page number, then you click on okay, you go to bottom of page. So I hit this. You have seen that the page number is 123, but I want this one to be different page, so I will highlight this. Then I'm going to right click. Then you see format page numbers. You hit it. Then this 123, I'm going to change it to Roman numerals. Then click on this start at 1. Then OK. As you can see, you have I, and you have 3. Then I want to remove this number from this cover page, so I'm just going to click this different first page. So as you do this, it's going to disappear, and as you can see, you have the empty page here. There's no page number here, and this one is Roman numeral, and this one is the normal number. And so that is how to format your page number. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you don't understand this, you can hit the comment section. I'm going to assist you. Thanks so much for watching.